Niaje? Ya kumeshikana bana. Kumeshikana. Naingia hivyo. Safi. Whoa, that's Ninja 1000. Head to the chef. Head to the chef. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching this video from. This is Two Wheels Paradise as usual. Two Wheels Paradise. This is Meshach behind the camera, and today I have this gentle giant. This is Voge DSX 525 DSX. Yeah, this is a 500cc Vogue. Initially they used to run on the Honda CB500X engine. These days this company is using a lot of BMW technology on these bikes, so you find a lot of BMW DNA on these particular motorcycles from Vogue. In this video I just want to show you 0 to 100, 0 to 120, somewhere around there. I want you to see how this bike accelerates, considering it is a twin cylinder 500cc producing around 45 to 47 horsepower around there. It's a big bike, you can tell it's big, it's huge, it's heavy, quite comfortable. The sitting position is completely touring. Let's see how fast this motorcycle can accelerate. Listen to the engine sound first. Very, very nice. I want us to do a 0 to 100 test. I just need to buy time and let these guys go. I just need to let these guys go. This is Eastern Bypass. Nice. Let's get this done. 0 to 100, gear 1. What the heck? That is a 500cc. This thing is so fast. What the hell? Oh no. These Chinese guys are getting very serious. This bike has 6 gears, definitely. I only did up to gear 5. I never did lead line for any of the gears in between. Never got to any lead line, but I was able to capture almost 140. Gear 5. There's a 500cc. So meaning if I was to give it a little bit more time and do gear 6, this bike can do 170. I want to believe it can do 170. Yeah, it can do 170. This is incredible. Incredible. The bike has a lot of torque, especially lowered torque. This is beautiful. I love it. Vogue 525 DSX. You guys know what you're doing. You really know what you're doing. I love it. I really do. I love it. This is incredible. Let's keep going. I'm on my way to work. I'm just doing these shenanigans on my way to work. Oh, that stupid fella. Oh, that stupid fella. Look at this. Look at this. Huh?